Hello. Okay, so today, I don't know if I told you I was going to do this today, but we're going to do this today. I'm going to talk about the programs now because I know you're all probably like, okay, well, how much is this? So let me walk you through how much this is. Okay, let me grab my whiteboard. My friend here. So back in 2024, when I lost the truck and I lost the job, and I had been praying to God, um, he brought me this business. Okay, don't mind my little stick figure here. All right, so I'm going to explain this to you. um, I told you we are learning marketing skills, right? So we're learning those marketing skills. I'm just going to put that there. Now, I got a program. I'm going to explain this all. Bundle pack. There's a legacy 2.0. This is 14, 9, 6. Can you guys see this? Okay. 3 and 1. Okay. This is called Digital Mastery. This is called Daily Pay. And this is called Launchpad. We are in the e-learning industry. That's what we're in. E-learning. These are educational programs where you get to learn marketing skills. But it's more than that. You're actually building a business and making 100% profit with products that you didn't create. So these are digital products, digital programs, the best business to be in, by the way. Okay. As somebody I have 2 Etsy shops. And before I started this, one of my biggest mistakes was actually, I knew I wanted to be in the digital space, but I didn't know this. Let me share with you what I didn't know. So I made tiny little products, right? Um, and let's say our goal is 1400. And let me get my calculator out here. Let me get my calculator. And 14 divided by 3 would be 467. Look at this. Just so you can see what my mistake was. I now have a $1,400 program. I've got 5 programs, but let's use the 14. Would you rather learn how to attract one $1,400 customer, or would you rather learn to attract 467 customers? This was my mistake. So before I even started this program, when I was doing the Dash, I had those 2 Etsy shops, and I learned how to make products that are online so I could resell. I knew that was gold because there was no other expenses, right? Well, I didn't understand that you want high price point and in demand. So I won't go into anything else other than that, but that was my mistake. That is something that I learned the hard way. Okay. Now I make 100% profit with products that I didn't even create. So there's a 39 or 1 time 69 website fee. So how does this work? I'm going to explain it to you. And I'm going to explain why I say no monthly fees. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. Okay. So it's a one-time 39 or 69 website fee. Can you guys see this? Website fee. Okay. Now let me explain how this works. You choose one of the 5 programs. Now, when I first heard that girl talking about this, right, I asked her, because I was a skeptic. I was scared. I was nervous. I didn't know if I could do this. I didn't know if this was going to work for me. So I asked her this question. I said, if I purchase the 100, what do I get to promote? She was like, this one. I said, oh, no, forget it. I purchased the 9. I got all 4 programs. We didn't have this one. I got all 4 programs, an automated system, and a website made for me. A whole complete business in a box with mentoring. I'm going to get into that tomorrow. So now I have a $1,400 program that gave me four programs in English, 4 in Spanish, because this is called the bundle pack, 4 in Spanish, 4 in English. And it's a one-time $69 because I have 2 websites, one in Spanish and one in English that were made for me. This one is a one-time 39. If you choose the 963 or 1, it's a one-time 39. The bundle pack, which is the Spanish and English, gives you the two, one in Spanish, one in English. Now, let's just say you decide, I want to go with the 600. Great, fantastic. You will get the 100, 300, and 600. If you chose the 9 like I did, you'd have all 4. And I explained this all. I hope that that's clear because I don't want to make this video too long. So screenshot this, okay? This business in a box is what I've been doing. This is my bread and butter, you guys. Not only do you learn this high income earning skills called marketing skills, but inside, if you're asking yourself, do I get to learn more? Yes, you can. If you want to know what else you can learn, just send me a message and say, what else do I get to learn? Okay. Because this is your foundation. You got to have a foundation. Yes, you get to learn marketing skills. Yes, you can do more. But I'm going to say this, build the foundation first, and then you can learn other things that you can do inside. Here's 2 short little small things: affiliate marketing and building yourself a community. I have my own community and you get to be in that. Tomorrow, we're going to talk about, what am I talking about tomorrow? I don't remember. I think I might be taking you in the community tomorrow. But anyways, meet me back tomorrow. Okay. Screenshot this. God bless. If you have any questions about this, just email me. Okay. Oh, I know. We'll talk about the no monthly fee thing.